Today recap. What is our previous class? What are the one discussed in previous class? Muscles and bones. What do you mean by muscles? The muscles are the soft parts of our body. What is mean by bones? Bones are the hard part of our body. If you touch your shoulder, that one hard in nature, that one is called the bones. If you feel touch any place, that one soft in nature, that one muscles. Next, external organs. What are the external organs discussed in previous class? Teeth and its types only. Based on the teeth type, it can be divided into two. Broadly divided into two. What are they? Milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth, when it grow at the age of 6 or 7 months, the milk teeth will grow. How many in numbers? 20 in numbers. Next, permanent teeth. The milk teeth fall down after, at the age of 6 or 7, the permanent teeth will grow. How many in number? 32 in numbers. Based on the types, it can be divided into two. First one milk teeth, next one permanent teeth. Next, the permanent teeth again divided into four. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Each and every tooth do that some special function. Tooth means that one singular. Teeth plural. This one plural. Importance of oral health. What are the one do in importance of oral health? Each and every eat after, food after, what we do? We should gargle our mouth. Next, healthy mouth. What we do? After each and every food, morning and night time, we should brush our teeth twice a day. Next, foods for healthy mouth and teeth. What are the food we eat? For example, instead of sugary juices, we drink more water and milk. Milk content food, all the one having vitamin D. This one helpful for teeth, strong. Okay, so we drink instead of sugary juices, we drink milk and water. Next, what we do? Avoid candies, ice creams. The candies and ice creams and all sticky our tooth. That one causes tooth decay. That one avoiding purpose. We avoid that candies, ice creams, all the one. Next, taking care of mouth and teeth. How we take care of our mouth? After 3 months, every 3 months, change our brush. We should change our brush. And then, take a brush twice a day. Avoid candies and other sweet items. Next, neem toothbrush. What do you mean by neem toothbrush? The Indian villagers have bright smiles. How the villagers, what we use? Instead of toothpaste, use that neem twigs, that one. Avoid that decay and also that one bright smile. So, Indian villagers have bright smiles cause for neem toothbrush. Next, today topic, good touch, bad touch and don't touch. Shall we go to the class?
Good morning students. I welcome for the third science class. What is our topic? My body. Before enter into the class, I ask some questions from previous class. Shall I ask? Are you ready for answer? Okay. What are the one discussed in previous class? Muscles and bones. Okay. What do you mean by muscles? The muscles are the soft parts of our body. Bones means hard part of our body. Which one? Bones. Okay. What is the function for muscles and bones? Muscles help to move from one place to another place. For example, activities of our every activities muscles only help our body. Bones. What is the use of bones? It gives shape to the body and also it protects the internal organs of our body. Next, teeth and its types. How many types of teeth are present? 2 types. What are they? What are they? Yeah, very good. Milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth which time grow? At the age of 6 or 7 months, milk teeth will grow. Permanent teeth At the age of 6 or 7, the milk teeth fall down after the permanent teeth will grow. Milk teeth, how many in number? 20 in number. Permanent teeth, 32 in number. The permanent teeth again divided into 4. What are they? Very good. Incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Each and every tooth do some special functions. So, if you lost your permanent teeth, you cannot able to get another one time. So, take care of your teeth. Shall we move to today's topic? Today our topic, good touch and bad touch. Don't touch. This is only our topic. What do you mean by touch? If any one person touch your body means how to identify that one good touch or bad touch? How do you say don't touch? This is only today class. Small children and all abuse some strangers. That means unknown persons. So, you want to save our children. So, we learn about something important activities. Good touch, bad touch. What do you mean by good touch? First we discuss about good touch. Good touch only safe touch for our children. Bad touch. This one not safe, unsafe touch. First we discuss about good touch. Good touch and bad touch. The words mostly common used to explain what touch is okay and what is not okay. Most commonly used to explain what touch is okay and what is not okay. Which one good touch, which one bad touch. Good touch is a touch that cares for us or make us feel safe. If you feel anybody take care of you, that person touch means you feel safe means that one is called good touch. Example, you fell down any one place means your mother taken care of you. அப்படியே அணைச்சிக்குவாங்க. அது வந்து good touch. Your grandfather, grandmother, that person also touch means that also good touch. Bad touch is any touch that we don't want or make us feel scared. Scare means afraid. Bad touch, how to identify? If any person touch our body means that one some awkward அப்படின்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்னா அசிங்கமாக ஃபீல் பண்ணுறது. somebody afraid, பயப்படுறது. ஐயோ இங்கே டச் பண்ணுறாங்க, this part touch, that part touch, that also bad touch. If you any person touch means the touch is unsafe means that one bad touch. If any person touch you that feel you safe means that one good touch. Do you know the difference between good touch and bad touch? Good touch take care of you and also safe for us. We feel very safe. Bad touch means that one don't want or make us feel scared. That one bad touch, afraid of that person. So this one bad touch. Now next part. Activities related to good touch. What are the activities related to good touch? For example, here given some more points. Parents hug and kisses. Parents hug and kisses. What you do any one activities means what we do? Parents hug and kisses. This one good touch. Next, father pats you on the head. அப்பா செல்லமாக தலையில் ஒரு தட்டு தட்டிட்டு போவார். இப்படி போகிறப்ப இப்படி வர்றப்ப. Pats you on the head. இதுவும் good touch. Next, friendly hugs by family members. Family members, grandparents, father, mother, and then sisters. This also hug means hug by family members. And shaking hands. These four also good touch. What are the one good touch? Parents hug and kisses. Fathers pats you on the head. Friendly hugs by family members. Shaking hands. These four also related to good touch. Here you see the picture. Mother take care of her child, all the pictures. How do you take care? This all the one come under the good touch. Next, we discuss about bad touch. What is mean by bad touch? Activities related to bad touch. Here you see the picture touching the buttocks and other private parts. Touching the buttocks and other private part. If anybody touch buttocks and other private part means that also bad touch. And hitting, slapping, spitting, pushing or punching, kissing. This all the one come under the bad touch. Next, activities that make you feel scared or nervous or ashamed. Somebody is speaking, no, that time you feel, how do you speak like that? I don't like that speech. This is also bad touch. If anybody touch, otherwise anybody speak, that time you feel scared or nervous or afraid or ashamed. This also come under the bad touch. Next, dirty talk and dirty pictures. Dirty talk, somebody speaking time, bad word used, that also bad touch. And then dirty pictures, show that pictures related to mobile, sexual abuse, that one is called bad touch. So what are the activities bad touch? Touching other private part and also kissing, punching, pushing, spitting. And then if you touch anybody scared or afraid or nervous, that also bad touch. Dirty talk and show that dirty pictures. Here you see that picture, all the one afraid of the children. This person touch some private part. So this also take that children away from that place. This all the one come under the bad touch. Next activities. Which one? If you receive a bad touch, you must say. If you receive bad touch, what you say? What are the one we do? Say don't touch in a loud voice. What do you say? Say don't touch in a loud voice. If anybody touch, you feel afraid or you feel unsafe, immediately what do you say? Don't touch me. Like that you say. Don't touch me. How to say? Don't touch me. Like that. Huggy voice don't say. Don't touch me. Like that you say in a loud voice. Next, leave the spot quickly. Otherwise, I don't like your behavior. Immediately leave from that place. அந்த இடத்த விட்டு என்ன செஞ்சிடணும்? இம்மிடியேட்டாக போயிடணும். நெக்ஸ்ட், டெல் எல்டர்ஸ் லைக் பேரண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் டீச்சர் till you get help. If anybody touch unsafe or afraid, you feel unsafe, otherwise afraid or ashamed, immediately to inform your parents, otherwise teacher. How do you say? You get help from that person. Always you want to immediately say your parents. And also you and all small child, you don't know which one good touch, which one bad touch. So each and every activities, you go anywhere, anybody speak and touch, all the one you say your parents, especially your mother. Don't hide anything your parents. If you hide means that person abuse you. Some do that mistaken behavior. So immediately inform to your parent. Anywhere you go means what are the one happen on that place. எங்கே போனாலும் என்ன நடந்தாலும் இம்மிடியேட்டாக யார்கிட்ட சொல்லணும்? பேரண்ட்டை. எஸ்பெஷலி யுவர் மதர் ஷேர் ஆல் த ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ். Next our topic, dirty tricks. What are the dirty tricks used for that person? Which person? Strangers. Somebody kidnapping you. What are the one doing? Your mother is admitted in the hospital, so I have come to take you there. You go anywhere. Otherwise, you stay in school. You come outside. Somebody come and talk with you. Your mother is admitted in the hospital. So I have to take you there. உங்கள் அம்மா ஹாஸ்பிட்டலில் அட்மிட் ஆகியிருக்காங்க, நான் உன்னையும் அங்கே இழுத்துட்டு போகிறேன், கூட்டிகிட்டு போகிறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறது. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு, கேன் யூ ப்ளீஸ் accompany மீ அண்ட் கைட் மீ டு ரீச் திஸ் அட்ரஸ். somebody show the address. This place you know? Yes, I know. On that place, you company, you take care of that person, like that ask. This also dirty tricks. Next, tempting you with gifts or money. You are a small child. Give any chocolate or attractive gift. Give means you go that person's. You go with that person. So avoid that one. Unknown person, strangers, anybody, unknown person come and talk with you means immediately leave from that place. Otherwise, inform your parents immediately. Next, distracting you with the promise of sweets on food. Give some sweets. Sweet food give to you. That one, some மயக்க மருந்து போட்டு என்ன செய்வாங்க, கிட்னாப் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடுவாங்க. ஸோ தட் ஆல்சோ அவாய்டு. ஸ்ட்ரேஞ்சர்ஸ், அன்னோன் பர்சன், எனிபடி கிவ் யூ மீன்ஸ் தட் ஒன் இமிடியட்லி அவாய்டு. டோன்ட் நீட், நோ நீட், டோன்ட் வாண்ட், லைக் தட் செட். ஆஃபரிங் டு ப்ளே டாக்டர் கேம், ஹைட் அண்ட் சீக் கேம், ட்ரையிங். வாட் வி டூ தென்? டாக்டர் கேம், யூ கம் வித் மீ, play with me, doctor game, hide and seek game. To touch the under that pretext. Unknown part touch, private part touch. That also do that some person. Pretending to show great concern for you. This all the one come under the dirty tricks. எப்படி உன்னை வந்து கிட்னாப் பண்ணலாம், எப்படி வந்து உன்னை இந்த பிளேஸ்லேருந்து இழுத்துட்டு போகலாம் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு ஐடியா. என்னென்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, யுவர் மதர் அட்மிட்டட் இன் த ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ஸ், ஐ ஹாவ் come to take you there. Next, would you please accompany me and guide me to reach this address. Next, tempting you with gifts or money, distracting you with the promise of sweets and food, offering to play doctor game and hide and seek game, trying to touch you under the pretext, pretending to show great concern for you. This all the one come under the dirty tricks. Dirty tricks followed means what you do to escape from that persons. Otherwise, any other elders present means immediately inform to that persons. Next, our topic, safety tips every child should know. What are the safety tips here given? Tell everything to your parents. Tell everything to your parents, especially to mothers. Don't hide anything your parents. You are a small child, which one good, which one bad, you don't know. So any activities, tell everything to your parents, especially to mothers. Don't share address and phone numbers with strangers. Strangers means unknown person. Unknown person phone நம்பரையோ அட்ரஸையோ ஷேர் பண்ணக்கூடாது. நெக்ஸ்ட், டோன்ட் ஆன்சர் த ஃபோன் ஆர் ஓப்பன் த டோர் வித்தவுட் அன் adults present. If anybody call means don't answer. I alone stay in home, like that don't say. And also somebody come and call you, calling bell ring after you open the door, that also don't do. Inside your home itself you ask what do you want, like that ask. Otherwise don't open the door and answer that persons. Never eat anything you get from strangers. Anything give unknown person means what we do, don't get anything from unknown persons. Have emergency telephone numbers, always have with you emergency number. Immediately contact to that person. Which person? Your parents, to inform that one. First of all, what are the safety tips every child should know? Tell everything to your parents, especially to mother. Next, don't share address and phone numbers with strangers. Don't answer the phone or open the door without an adult present. Next, never eat anything you get from strangers. Don't eat anything from strangers. Have emergency telephone numbers, always have with you emergency number. Next our topic recap. What are the one discussed? Good touch, bad touch, don't touch. What do you mean by good touch? If you feel, if anybody person touch means, if you feel scared, afraid or ashamed, immediately that one is called bad touch. Immediately that touch is called say bad touch. And then how do you feel it this one good touch? Your parents, family members, this only do that good touch. You take care of that person. If you feel somebody touch means I feel very safe, this person take care of me, this one is called good touch. If you feel scared, afraid, ashamed, that one is called bad touch. How do you say don't touch? If anybody touch you, that touch is very bad. You feel afraid, immediately you say don't touch me, like that. Don't touch me in a loud voice, that one very important. Next, if anybody speak with you, that one you feel that speech is dirty talk, immediately you leave that place. If anybody touch, you feel unsafe, immediately inform your parents and also teachers. Next, activities related to good touch. What are the activities related to good touch? Anybody touch means you feel safe. That one is called good touch. Father's pat on your head. And then family members, elders, hug and kisses, that also good touch. How do you identify this one bad touch? Activities related to bad touch. What are the activities? Somebody touch in the private part. You feel afraid, ashamed, unsafe. This one is called bad touch. If you receive a bad touch, you must, what we do? If you receive a bad touch, immediately what you say in a loud voice, don't touch me, like that you say. And also, what we do? Immediately inform your parents till you get help from that person. பேரண்ட்ஸ்கிட்ட சொல்கிறப்ப அவங்கக்கிட்ட இருந்து ஹெல்ப் வர வரைக்கும் என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது? அவங்கக்கிட்ட இருந்து என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது? சொல்லாமல் இருக்கக்கூடாது. இம்மிடியேட்டாக வாட் தட் பிளேஸ் ஹேப்பன் ஆல் த ஒன் இம்மிடியேட்லி இன்ஃபார்ம் யுவர் பேரண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் எல்டர்ஸ். இஃப் யூ கெட் ஹெல்ப் யூ மஸ்ட் சே தட் பர்சன் இம்மிடியேட்லி. நெக்ஸ்ட், dirty tricks. What are the dirty tricks followed to kidnapping you? You must be taught that offenders might resort the following dirty tricks. What are the dirty tricks? Your mother is admitted in the hospital. I have come to take you there. Next, would you please accompany me and guide me to reach this address, tempting you with gifts or money, distracting you with the promise of sweets or food, and then pretending to show concern for you, offering to play Dr. Gam and hide and seek game. All the one avoid. This all the one come under the dirty tricks. If anybody do that means immediately leave that place. Immediately inform your parent. Next, safety tips every child should know. What are the safety tips every child know? Tell everything to your parents, especially to mothers. Anything, you go anywhere, what are the incident happen on that place, immediately inform to your parents, especially your mothers. Next, don't share address and phone numbers with strangers. That means don't share which one? Address and phone number. Strangers means unknown persons. And then anybody come and call you, otherwise don't say the answer, open the door. If the elder person present in the family only, you open the door, answer that person, otherwise don't open the door. Next, never eat anything you get from strangers. Don't get any from other person. Have emergency, always have with you emergency phone numbers, telephone numbers is also, this all the one come under the safety tips every child should know. This one you do means stop child abuse. So many incident you hear regularly. You show the TV news. Small child abuse that persons like this. All the one you watch the TV. You avoid that one. You must follow the safety rules, and also immediately you know that good touch, bad touch, all the one you know only. You immediately inform your parents. So if anything good or bad you feel that one afraid, ashamed or unsafe, immediately inform to your parents. Don't stop that one, immediately inform your parents. Thank you dears, do well. Now for you book reading. What is our topic today? Topic good touch, bad touch and don't touch. Try to answer. Is it good touch or bad touch? Why? Here given two picture. Which one good touch? Be only good touch. Mother care of her child. That only good touch. Next, good touch and bad touch are the words mostly commonly used to explain what touch is okay and what is not okay. Why this one given? Which one good touch? Which one bad touch? That only explain here. Which touch is good touch and which one is bad touch? That only explain here. This helps us to. Which helps us to? The good touch or bad touch explain help us to when to tell a safe person about bad touch and ask for help. If you feel bad touch, immediately you say your parents or mother, ask for help. Good touch is a, how do you feel good touch? Good touch is a touch that care for us, make us feel safe. Make us feel safe. If you touch anybody, that one feel very safe. Somebody touch means that one scared, afraid. So that one bad touch. Bad touch is any touch that we don't want or make us feel scared. Scare means what? Afraid. Let us learn how to keep ourselves safe. Now, how to use keep ourselves safe? What are the activities? Good touch, bad touch. You learn about this one. You escape from that bad touch. Shall we discuss one by one? First one, activities related to good touch. Parents hug and kisses. Father pats you on the head. Father pats you. Activities related to good touch. First one, parents hug and kisses. Next, father pats you on the head. அப்பா செல்லமாக தலையில் ஒரு தட்டு தட்டுவார் இல்லை. This also good touch. Next, friendly hugs by family members. Family members who? Brother, sister, grandfather, grandparents. That one hugs means that also good touch. Next, shaking hands. These all the one come under the activities related to good touch. Next we discuss about activities related to bad touch. Touching the buttocks and other private parts. Hitting, slapping, spitting, pushing or punching, kissing. This all the one related to bad touch. Activities that make you feel scared or nervous or ashamed. Dirty talk and dirty pictures. Activities related to, if you feel scared means otherwise nervous, otherwise ashamed, otherwise afraid. If you anybody touch that one, feel scared, nervous, ashamed, afraid, this all the one come under the bad touch. Somebody show dirty pictures and also talk dirty talk, this also come under the activities related to bad touch. Here you see the picture. My body is my own. I never allow others to misuse it. Never be afraid to shout and say, don't touch me. Anybody touch, bad touch means immediately I say loudly. How do you say? Don't touch me. It is never your fault. Next, we discuss about if you receive a bad touch, you must, what we do? Say don't touch in a loud voice. Three things we followed. You get that bad touch means what are the one you follow? Anybody? Touch. Bad touch means immediately you say don't touch in a loud voice. Next, leave the spot quickly. அந்த இடத்த விட்டு என்ன செஞ்சிடணும், உடனே கிளம்பிடணும். Next, tell the elders. Who are the elders? Our parents and teachers. Like parents and teachers till you get help. அவங்ககிட்ட இருந்து ஹெல்ப் வர வரைக்கும் யாராவது அப்படி பண்ணாங்கன்னா குட் டச், பேட் டச் பண்ணாங்கன்னா என்ன செய்யணும், இம்மிடியேட்டாக எல்டர்ஸ்ட்ட பேரண்ட்ஸ்கிட்டையோ அல்லது டீச்சர்ஸ்கிட்டையோ ஹெல்ப் கேட்டுக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு, ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் மஸ்ட் பி taught that offenders night resort to the following dirty takes. Somebody kidnapping and also somebody misuse the person. That person, what are the tricks followed here given? This one, do means avoid that situation. Your mother is admitted in the hospital, so I have come to take you there. என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, உங்கள் அம்மா ஹாஸ்பிட்டலில் அட்மிட் ஆகியிருக்காங்க, உன்னை அந்த இடத்துக்கு கூட்டிகிட்டு போகிறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு, would you please accompany me and guide me to reach this address? என் கூட வந்து இந்த அட்ரஸை காட்ட முடியுமா, என் கூட கொஞ்சம் வர முடியுமா அப்படின்னு கேட்பாங்க. tempting you with gifts or money. உனக்கு ஏதாவது ஒரு கிஃப்டையோ ஒரு டாய் ஒரு மணி ஏதாவது கொடுத்தா என்ன செய்வேன் நீ, உடனே அவங்க பின்னாடி போயிடுறது. tempting means attracting you with gifts or money. Next, distracting you with the promise of sweets or food. டிஸ்ட்ராக்டிங், உன்னோட பாதையிலேருந்து என்ன செய்ய, டிஸ்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணுறது, திசை திருப்புறது, ஒரு ஸ்வீட்டையோ ஃபுட்டையோ வாங்கி தரேன் வாங்க என் கூட அப்படின்னு கூப்பிட்றது. நெக்ஸ்ட், ஆஃபரிங் டு ப்ளே டாக்டர் கேம் அண்ட் ஹைட் அண்ட் சீக் கேம் ட்ரையிங் டு டச் யுவர் அண்டர் தட் ப்ரீடெக்ஸ்ட். கேம் விளையாடலாம் வாங்க, டாக்டர் கேம் விளையாடலாம், ஹைட் அண்ட் சீக் விளையாடலான்னு ஒரு பிளேஸ் கூப்பிட்டு போய் நம்ம என்ன பேட் டச் பண்ணுறது. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு, pretending to show great concern for you. இது எல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், அவாய்ட் பண்ணோன்னா நம்ம பேட் டச்சிலேருந்து எஸ்கேப் ஆயிடலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் அவர் டாபிக் சேஃப்டி டிப்ஸ் எவ்ரி சைல்டு ஷுட் நோ. வாட் ஆர் த சேஃப்டி டிப்ஸ் ஹியர் கிவன்? டெல் எவ்ரி திங் டு யுவர் பேரண்ட்ஸ், எஸ்பெஷலி டு மதர். எதையும் என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது, பேரண்ட்ஸ்கிட்ட மறைக்கக்கூடாது. டெல் எவ்ரி திங் டு யுவர் பேரண்ட்ஸ் especially to your mother. Don't share address and phone numbers with strangers. Strangers means unknown person. தெரியாத பர்சன்ட்ட அட்ரஸையோ ஃபோன் நம்பரோ கொடுக்கக்கூடாது. Don't answer the phone or open the door without an adult present. Anybody come to home means what we don't do. ஃபோன் வந்தாலும் பேரண்ட்ஸ் இல்லைன்னா என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது, டோரை ஓப்பன் பண்ணி ஆன்சர் பண்ணக்கூடாது. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு, நெவர் ஈட் எனி திங் யூ கெட் ஃப்ரம் ஸ்ட்ரேஞ்சர்ஸ். அன்னோன் பர்சன்ட்டேருந்து எதையும் வாங்கி என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது, சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. ஹாவ் எமர்ஜென்சி டெலிஃபோன் நம்பர். ஆல்வேஸ் யூ கீப் இன் யுவர் மைண்ட் எமர்ஜென்சி நம்பர். ஃபாதர், மதர் அண்ட் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸ் நம்பர்ஸ் யூ keep it in your mind. These only safety tips for every child should know. What are the one? No, everything. Tell everything to your parents, especially to your mother. Share address and phone numbers with strangers. Don't share. Next, don't answer the phone or open the door without an adult presence. Never eat anything you get from strangers. Have emergency telephone number. This only safety tips for every child should know. Next our topic for teacher or parents, how to prevent sexual abuse and what are the signs of sexual abuse. Behavior of child to be watched. Always you watch the behavior of the child to be watched. Depressed and withdrawn from their peer groups. Peer groups means friends group. Behavior of the child to be watched. Always watch the child behavior. Next, depressed and withdrawn from their peer group. Friend groupல இருந்து விலகி இருப்பாங்க. Moving away from particular individual, excessive dependence, decline in learning and dominant behavior, self-destructive behavior. Internet can use adverse impact. Is all the one prevent the sexual abuse and to save ourselves. What are the safe behavior? Always watch the parents or teachers, always watch the students. How to watch the students? Behavior of the child. Next, depressed and withdrawn from their peer group, moving away from a particular individual, excessive dependence, decline in learning and dominant behavior. Decline in learning means slow learning. Self-destructive behavior, that means தன்னைத்தானே அழிச்சிக்கிறது. Internet can use adverse impact. These all the one want to always take care of her child or students. This all the tips followed means take care of her child and teachers. Who should follow this one? Teachers or parents should follow the children's. Next, our topic. Here given pictures. First one, shaking hands. This one, good touch or bad touch. Look at the pictures and write good touch or bad touch. First one, which touch? Next one girl standing. Somebody touch the girl. So this one, good touch or bad touch. Next, sister and brother. This one, which touch? You write in the space. Last and final one, something gift for given the girl. This one, good touch or bad touch. You write the space in a correct one. Next, strangers. Here, mother and child. Next, strangers, unknown person, give the some gift to the boy. Next, last one, somebody, strangers, pull the children. Which touch? This one want to write in the space correctly.